Joy Factory MagConnect HD mount line is designed to be a reliable, versatile, and vital tool that helps your workforce stay connected. This video will overview the MagConnect HD Universal Adhesive mount featuring 38mm ball joints. This mount is also available in a 26mm configuration. Each mount includes a quick start guide, MagConnect ball joint, the mount arm, an optional security screw, and a 3M VHB adhesive mount base. First, you'll want to install the adhesive mount base onto a flat, non-porous surface. Then, loosen the lever on the mount arm and fix it to the adhesive mount base. Next, insert the MagConnect ball joint into the other end of the mount arm. And lastly, retighten the lever. The mount makes a semi-permanent installation onto any flat or semi-curved surface using an industrial-grade 3M VHB adhesive, or for a fixed option, it can be drilled down with 4 screws. The mount can be bent to fit slightly curved surfaces. It is rated to hold a capacity of up to 15 pounds, which seamlessly connects to our action ruggedized tablet cases via the MagConnect mount's magnetic connection. The mount is equipped with the necessary strength to handle vibrations and shocks endured while in transit. Through testing, we found that it can withstand 11 pounds of force without shifting and holds an MIL STD 810G 514.7 vibration testing certification. It is equipped with 2 spherical rubberized ball joints, which provide 360-degree rotation for infinite adjustability while still offering maximum strength. We tested the release handle up to 1,000 plus uses and guarantee its durability and longevity. The mount is made with corrosion-resistant material, making it ideal for mixed element environments such as rainy conditions or environments with salt spray. Finally, it's equipped with cable management to ensure charging and pairing cables don't hang down. For security when using the mount in public spaces, an optional locking feature will keep the device secure in place. For more product information, contact sales@thejoyfactory.com.